Dream big, work hard, stay focused. The bigger your dream, the bigger your actions should be. If you can dream it, you can achieve it. Dreams don't work unless you do. Believe in your dreams, they were given to you for a reason. Your dreams are the blueprint for your success. Your dream is not out of reach, it's waiting for you to take action. Dreams are the seeds of change. Nothing ever grows without a seed, and nothing ever changes without a dream. Don't limit your dreams, unleash them. Dream big, start small, but most importantly, start. Chase your dreams until you catch them, and then chase them some more. Dare to dream big, because only those who dare to dream can achieve great things.